Hey, listen, before we begin, I got a request to do a food video and I want to do right by you, so give me a few more days. It'll come out soon. I just really want to do something special for that. Okay, so without further ado, here's the video. I was gonna do a whole haul video, but this ended up becoming something more like just trying out this new builder base. All of these products are HEMA free. I've been researching HEMA a little bit, and it's the number one allergen. That's one of the main ingredients used in the nail products. So, HEMA, I'm not even going to try to kill this word. It's just, I'll put this up here, and that's what HEMA is if you want to Google it for yourself. Anyway, I'm just cleaning everything off, sterilizing with some alcohol, and just trying to keep everything as clean as possible throughout this process. And then here I go in for a little bit of primer. Most of this is just backfill and filling, and also because I'm doing a sparkly coat, I thought it'd be fun to try kind of a sportier length, just some short nails here. So, uh, and even despite how short these look, my natural nails are even shorter because of I've got I my diabetes is controlled, but my nails are still crappy, and I think that that's probably because of the targeted therapy as well. So anyway, regardless of the reasons, I got the okay to do this if I use caution, so everything stays clean as I do this. And I use clear builder gel because I want to be able to just file away whatever layers of polish I have so I can check on my nails underneath. Uh, and that's pretty much kept them clean and relatively free of any infections or anything like that. So this is the actual builder gel. You allow a bead to form. I think at some point I get a little impatient and just start glopping it on, but uh, the builder gel itself, this is a new product. Aimeili, maybe? Aimeili? I don't know. Okay, so this is a product I don't know how to pronounce. I'm used to using Beetles, which I have actually a really exciting notice for. If you are just here for that notice, link in the description if you want to just jump right to that. But this is, again, I'm just trying not to flood the wells of my nails, which is, I still do. Whether it looks like it or not, I am kind of pointing it downward, and I always hold it upside down like this before I cure it. I still have the original Beetles lamp that came with my original Beetles starter kit that I'm using. It's like a 40 something watt lamp that uh, it's just a really nice dome, and I put some of my own aluminum foil shiny side up underneath it to create that mirror effect. But otherwise, yeah, that's what I use. And then the uh, the actual polish that I'll be using is Venalisa. I'll leave links to these products where I got them below. Even the primer is this new. I just thought I would try something new. So I haven't worn these for more than about a day now, and they feel pretty good. Uh, it's, you know, uh, the top coat for all of this, I used a no wipe top coat. So here's where I'm deciding my length. I decided to go quite short. So anyway, yeah, I cleaned everything up and wait for the alcohol to dry and uh, go in with a very, very thin coat for, yeah, this Venalisa. It's kind of a thick consistency. Uh, so, yeah, it really wants to glom onto itself. So it's kind of hard to wipe off the brush right away. But it has a really nice thick consistency. It pretty much stays where you put it. Um, and yeah, I really liked it. I uh, I only needed 2 coats of this. So I cured it for about 90 seconds per coat. Usually when I'm done, also that last coat, when I do the top coat, I usually add a few seconds. So anyway, yeah, getting everything off and then wiping it off on an alcohol swab. Those swabs are lint free, so because gel polish hates any kind of lint. So yeah, second coat. And this way, I don't even have to go all the way to the sides. When you do a second coat, you can kind of cheat the sides a little so that it looks like you're farther towards the side than you are, but it's just lighter on the edges for when I do it anyways. So yeah, it has a lot of shine just for 2 coats. I was surprised by that. I thought for sure that it would take like 3 or 4 coats to get the kind of coverage I wanted, but nope, 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 nope. And again, holding it upside down so that it pulls away from the skin and towards the middle to build its own little apex in the middle there, because that's how gel likes to be. So then, and after a cure of 90 seconds, I I wiped it off because I wanted this old, this pink, uh, yeah, this file that I'm about to show you is from my first Beatles kit ever. It's so old but it looks beat up, and it is beat up kind of, but it still works. As I'm about to show you, I'm gonna take all the shine off and just buff it down to like a matte finish. Wait for the alcohol, because I'm wiping away the dust. Wait for all the alcohol to dry, and it's going to be this matte finish. See, it takes away all the shine. And then I go in with this beautiful top coat. It's a no wipe top coat. Pretty lush. Right away you can touch it once it's dry. I mean, make sure that it's completely dry. And yeah, I did a really light, because you can really tell where it gets shiny here. I did a really, really light coat of this. So this is all HEMA-free products. And then when I cure this, I usually go in for like almost 2 minutes. I just want it so well cured. I didn't want anything, you know, any uncured gel. So I think the bottle says like 90 seconds, but I might have done 2 minutes. I might have added 30 seconds just to kind of make sure everything is really cured. I clean up at all the edges with an alcohol swab between, and there it is. And then this is my blend. I use jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and then I scent it. Right now it's patchouli vanilla. Uh, but yeah, you can even do like fragrance free. And I do all the way around the nail, not just the bottoms of by the cuticle, but I do all the way around because my nails do get dry. So I don't like this applicator. It's pretty plasticky, but it's nice for a purse. Anyway, there it is, the shine. Now for some really good news. I was recently in touch with Beetles on their YouTube page, just saying, thank you. You guys are awesome. You've helped me put my nails back together after, like I mentioned, I got my the okay from oncology and everything, that I'm careful about it. But could you please make some HEMA stuff? And they did write back saying that they are considering a HEMA line of products. Yay! Now, hopefully this isn't just their AI BSing me, but that's really good news because I love their colors. They have such a good variety of colors and exciting products that's what makes this perhaps really good news. So watch out for that maybe in the coming years, months. I don't know how long it takes for them to actually come out with a product like that, but I would think that with a confident promise like that should be I would say within a year. So, right? We hope that it's already in development if they're making a promise like that. So here's our reveal. All 10 fingers, nice and sparkly. Thank you for watching. Please be kind to yourself and others. Bye.